usually prescribe certain operating matrices to be monitored for the other operating departments, which we are going to discuss now. These are related to only the three main departments that we have specifically discussed: the golf course, the health club, and parking. But you may have other operating departments which are very crucial for maybe let's say laundry, but usually the major matrices will remain the similar as per occupied room, per available room, per guest revenue. For some of the operating departments, like for example golf course, usually recommends to get other matrices such as revenue generated per round. So means how much is the average green fee we have calculated per round, merchandise per round, other revenue per round. So the per round, the round means additional detail. The round means that you are how many rounds the SB are playing. So this is the calculation formula for calculating how many rounds the peoples are playing, so that we can know if we are calculating getting enough revenue fee, enough merchandise fee, or the other revenue per round, because so that we can measure how much is our effectiveness in upselling the skills. Then you can also calculate the ground golf rounds in total rounds per occupied room night, so that we can see, do we have enough capture ratio, how many guests are staying in the hotel, how many room nights they are staying, and how many rounds are being actually played by the guest. So it helps to understand if we are doing enough our promotional activities or our upselling or recommendations, suggestions are working or not. So if more rounds the most round the guest will play, they will have a better green fee and a more merchandising revenue and other revenues from the guest. Then the golf club also want to separate the revenue by the category of the guest. So means members, members guest, resort guest, outsiders, employees, and the total golf rounds played, so that you can have some kind of revenue segmentation where the majority of revenue is coming from. So means that the hotels account, the property management system, or uh, should be able to maintain these details. However, the general property maintenance, general property management systems are not able to keep up with all the details. So there are specialized POS which are being used by the golf clubs or by the spa to be able to generate these statistics which we are going to discuss now, or we are discussing now, right? If you don't have money to spend on these additional POS, which are very specific and detailed, you may want to keep the Excel files, so that you can calculate how many total rounds are being played, how much is the revenue per day, per guest, which guests are coming, how many rounds they are playing in the Excel, so that you can analyze and prepare this report at the end of the month. So this is important for you while you are setting up the chart of accounts for the golf courses. Then you have to make sure that you have a special provision or you have a matrix report for getting these data. So the formulas for average green fee is green fee divided by the rounds played. Then you have clothing revenue again by the number of rounds played, and then the golf rounds per occupied room night is the total number of rounds played divided by the total occupied room night, and then you have by user department. Now the health club and spa matrices are slightly different. So here, as you are calculating the total of your charge revenue, skincare revenue, healthcare revenue by as a percentage to the total department. So this is so that you can understand how much is the ratio of individual line items into the total operating revenue. And then you will also be calculating the revenue by per square meter for each type of revenue. So how many treatment rooms we have, how much square foot they are using, how much is the saloon, how much square foot they have, and what are the services they are putting, healthcare, nail care, and what is the per square meter revenue from them. Health club, how much they are giving us in terms of per square meter. Detail, how much they are giving to us in per square meter. So these are just to ensure that we are maximizing the place of our revenue. If let's say the treatment per square meter is much higher than the spa or the saloon, then maybe it's for to maximize the revenue of the hotel, the hotel can decide that we may want to convert all our saloon to be the treatment revenue, so that you have a per square meter higher revenue, right? So that's how you can look at the operating matrices and analyze the profitability. Then you have the same matrices by occupied room, so that we can understand what is the capture ratio of the guest, how many guests are using treatment, how many of them are using the saloon, how many of them are using health club facilities and membership. So that it help to understand, are we able to capture our market or we are not able to capture our market. Then the other operating matrices you will have is the treatment per treatment room. So how many treatment room do we have, and how many total massage we are doing, and how many skin cares we are doing, so that we can understand, are we able to have like for example, same as rooms, you will also be able to compare the occupancy of treatment room, how many treatments we are doing per day per person. So that will help us to understand the productivity of the staff and also the ability of our company to use the department, the facilities that we have. Then you have saloon revenue per saloon station, how many saloon stations we have, similar to the treatment rooms. And then the expenses as a department to revenue, which is already there in the P&L, main P&L, so you don't have to worry about. Then you have the health club, the guest mix, whether they are local guests or hotel guests. And then also the treatment analysis, treatment per treatment room, treatment per hour, treatment per person. So these are the special matrices that we normally use in the spa and health club. I will be giving you the PDF so that you can read and understand it in a better details. The formulas are simple and self-explanatory. Then you have parking matrices, which are very simple. Is how much is overnight parking per available space, then per occupied and per available square feet revenue, and overnight parking, and then the parking profit. And then you have the drive-in capture ratio, were there overnight stay guests, or they are daily parking, or they are valet parking, so that you can understand how the parking is being organized and how parking revenue is, where the parking revenue is coming from. So these are the general operating metrics. For other departments, when you have business centers, so you may want to have business center revenue per seat, or business center revenue per square feet, business center revenue per occupied room. You get now an idea of, from the three departments, you are basically trying to segment the guest. Even though usually has not prescribed, the hotel may make their own separate operating statistics depending on the size of the revenue. If they are significant, you may want to split it out and look at the segmentation report.